Hey guys, it's Mimi and welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome honey. I hope you stay and become a part of this family, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back babe. You are truly appreciated. Shout out to Allove Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. Today's video is in collaboration with them. So guys, I'm going to do a quick unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Allove Hair Company. They were kind enough to send me a wig cap, and there's gorgeous ginger blonde ombre color body wave hair. It is a 4x4 lace closure wig and 150% density human hair. I'm truly impressed with the quality. It screams Valentine's Day. This definitely going to be my Valentine's Day wig, guys, like most definitely. If you love this wig as much as I do, please do check the description box down below for more information and of course direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Allove Hair Company. As usual, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.
Another cold and rainy night without you lying by my side. I can't sleep, already tried, but still I dream away. Thinking about the way it was, oh baby, just the two of us. We had it all, but we got lost with nothing left to say. Days turned into months, you're still the one I want, but I carry on, yeah. But all the memories live inside of me, even when you're gone. How I miss the sun, missing all the fun. Do you think about me now and then? How I miss the sun, looking into those eyes, wishing that somehow we could go back again. One more time, one more time, baby, yeah. Oh, sunshine. Always used to hold my hand, painted our hearts in the sand, kissing while we made new plans, but still I dream away. Thinking about the way it was, baby, just the two of us. We had it all, but we got lost with nothing left to say, yeah. Days turned into months, still the one I want, but I carry on, yeah. All the memories live inside of me, even when you're gone. How I miss the sun, missing all the fun. Do you think about me now and then? How I miss the sun, looking into those eyes, wishing that somehow we could go back again. One more time, one more time, baby. Ooh, I'm missing the sunshine. One more time now, baby girl. You and I could run the world. How I miss the sun, the sunshine. I need you, I need you. One more time now, baby girl. You and I could run the world. Girl, I thought that you were the one. How I miss the sun, missing all the sun. Do you think about me now and then? How I miss the sun, looking into those eyes, wishing that somehow we could go back again. One more time, one more time, baby, yeah. I'm missing the sunshine, wall, waiting for my word to fall, hoping that the phone will call. Not a sound can leave the memories behind, can't seem to get you off my mind. Together, two souls entwined. I would do whatever to get you back home. The pain of losing you hurts right through my bones. Everything is falling, I'm in a cyclone. Feels like it's forever that I've been alone. Oh, I'm stuck here, baby, waiting for you. I'm stuck here, I don't know what to do. I'm stuck here, baby, waiting for you. Running around, searching for the way to go, searching for a light to show. If you only knew I missed you so. Oh, tell me, have you found somebody new? Wasn't I the right man for you? Tell me anything and I will do. Losing you hurts right through my bones. Everything is falling, I'm in a cyclone. Feels like it's forever that I've been alone. Oh, I'm stuck here, baby, waiting for you. I'm stuck here, I don't know what to do. I'm stuck here, baby, waiting for you. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I'm stuck here, baby, waiting for you.
Gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand.